Hey guys, it's JKetsu. We're going to go over setting up Oberlo. As you can see, it's very easy to import dropship products into your store. You can check out the video. They got tons of different articles you can check out here below. But ultimately, what's awesome about it is it can fulfill orders very quickly for you. And again, you don't have to worry about those type of headaches that most traditional e-commerce businesses have to deal with. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Get over here and Install App. Of course, you guys can check out the link below to install Oberlo. Very easy. All right, so it's created a Shopify store. We've connected it. Now we need to go ahead and customize all of our settings. As you can see here, there's tons of helpful videos on how to do exactly everything within Oberlo. Check it out. But we're going to go ahead and go over to the settings icon, and then we're going to go ahead and edit the shop settings. So of course, my store is a dropship legacy dummy. I set new products as published. Again, I keep my weight very consistent throughout my entire shop. I'm just using pounds. I like to set a unit of measurement for product weight when I do import products into Oberlo before I push it into Shopify. And here's where you want to enter your tracking URL. So insert the whole 17track.net below. I have that linked below, so you can just copy and paste it there. And then notify customers about the order fulfillment. Go ahead and click Save Settings. Remember to always save when you're doing anything here in Shopify. I don't have myself notified of any of these type of things. You can if you'd like, but that's up to you. Let's go ahead and check out the global pricing rules. I'm just going to use a multiplier of, let's say, 3. Yeah. Let's do 3. You guys can do whatever you'd like, of course, but at the end of the day, I'm always setting my prices manually or having my VAs do that for me. You can check advanced pricing rules. Again, I don't play with this, so I'm just going to turn it off. I do like to assign cents, even though, again, like I stated, I set all my prices manually. So I can compare that as cents, 99. For your products, when you're doing this for your store, I always recommend either 99 cents or 95 cents. Either or, just do one of the other, nothing else. Suppliers. As you can see, there's Oberlo Supply, which is kind of like an automatic fulfillment. You can add your card there if you'd like, if you're looking into those products that qualify for that. You can choose ePacket for our default shipping method because that's generally the fastest. And then we're going to add a custom note for every time we order on AliExpress to a supplier. So I'm going to type in, please dropship to my customer and do not include the receipt. And let's do in the package, please. Thank you. And I hope to do repeat business or repeat future business with you or your company. And let's do a smiley face for extra measures. We're going to go ahead and click Save Settings as always. And then let's go ahead and check out other good total sales. It's again, if you want these reports, you can. Looks good. So I'll see you guys on the next lesson on actually sourcing products. How exciting! See you guys.